Everyone has been talking about ways of making money online, so today we gonna see the legit way of doing so by previewing every platform said about. In this video we will be going through this website that lots of YouTubers have been listing it to be a legit way of making money online, so let's get in and find out. So they say on EarnWeb they have various types of safe tasks, for which, after completing them, the user receives virtual currency coins. It is worth noting that our conversion rate is 1 coin equals $1. So when earning coins on EarnWeb, it's easy to remember how much you really earned. Without wasting time, we be going through this website by the name EarnWeb. As you can see in this website there is a lot of tasks to be done. So we shall find out if they are worth our time. I just completed the first and the easiest one. Oops, nothing happens to my coin balance. Ooh, this is ridiculous. Maybe we should try refreshing the website. Yeah, we just got it. So as you can see, this website, it may be really working, but it not a fastest way to make money. And it's like a promotion website, like you have to do something that maybe it's gonna push something or someone for you to get reward. So if you're a guy who really want make money the laziest way, this ain't the right website for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe for more videos like this.